Bile ducts in there. That's the shiny part for the bile duct. And then the red is actually your hepatic artery coming up from the celiac trunk going to the liver.
Okay. And then...
That's a big stomach.
Yeah, we accidentally put it in.
Uh-oh. That's a huge stomach.
That's why we weren't
For
sure
such a
till
small
we cut
cat.
it.
Yeah, I know. That's why we weren't really sure.
I want to know what's in there.
Oh my gosh.
And what the hell's in there? So this part of it over here would be the fundus.
Yeah.
The cardia would be where the esophagus attaches here.
Okay.
Then the body, pyloric. And then you can see like a little, you can actually feel it. If you kind of squeeze.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the pyloric valve. Okay, so that's the pyloric region. So then this is the duodenum. The tissue right next to it, which is actually pretty nice on yours. That's pancreas. And it goes actually under
Under the stomach, right?
So that's more pancreas there.
Okay.
And that's your hepatic vein, hepatic portal vein.
So this is the
Pancreas.
Pancreas.
Yep.
Hepatic.
Yep. So it actually goes duodenum, pancreas, hepatic portal vein.
Okay.
It's kind of cool.
So then what is this?
That's spleen.
Okay.
Okay. So if it's all nice and neat in there, then that was duodenum. That's jejunum. It's the part coiled up. Then if you come over here and you find where did it go? Oh, there it is. That's why it's curled around. It should be like that. Okay. So it should be like that, and you can kind of see the little head. It's like a little beak there. Okay. So this part of the small intestine that's attached to that, this is the cecum. So this is the ileum. And the valve there would be the ileocecal valve.
Are we going to be asked? Do you think we'd be asked that?
Might be.
Maybe.
Put a pin there and say, what valve is this? You missed that. It's ileum, cecum. Okay, so ascending colon. Transverse colon's this little short piece right here. And then descending colon. And that's really about it.
Okay.
Anus, rectum.
Yeah. I mean, there's really no way to...
Yeah.
We're not even really sure why we put those on the list. Just because they're parts.
Okay.
Some grass in there?
Yeah. Green, it almost looks like
It looks like
kelp or something.
Yeah, that's what I was just going to say.
What the hell the cat was eating.